Now, if your butterfly sewing machine or your domestic sewing machine is noisy, that means the parts, the contacting parts and bearings is lacking of oil. So all you have to do is just to grab oil, which is this, and then make sure the contacting parts are well lubricated so as to prolong the life of this sewing machine, including under, yes, all the contacting parts. Now watch me do this, okay? Now we're going to be starting from here, and mind you, a single drop is okay. A single drop is okay for every contacting parts and bearing. I'm going to be placing a drop here, and we're good. And here, we're good. And here, we're good. And here, we're good. And also here. That's the ball bearing right there. And we're good. Sometimes the oil just spills out, but it's still good. But a drop is okay. Just pay attention to all the parts that I'm just dropping this oil. Okay? Now you can unscrew this part. Now take off the belt by rotating the balance wheel towards you, and then now this is how you take off the belt, and then uninstall the butterfly sewing machine. Now we're taking off the belt. Then now we're uninstalling the device from the bed of the sewing machine. So we are uninstalling it so as we can gain access to the under to the bottom of this device, simply by placing your hand like this, okay, and then pull like so, okay. Now wash. And you can see we're about to also oil this button like this, okay. And you pull it out like this. Now you close the bed like this. Place your icon on top like this, and then turn it around, okay. After placing it on top like this, got you, okay. Now every moving part should be oiled. A drop should be applied to every single moving part. You dig? Every single moving part. As you can see, I'm just playing with the balance wheel, and you can see every moving part is moving. So all you have to do now is just apply a single drop to every moving part, every sliding part, every bearing, every contacting part, every contacting surface. And trust me, while you're done doing this, you're going to find out that this device is going to be running free and smooth and free from extraneous noise, okay. So that is why you really need to do a proper oiling of the sewing device. Like I said before, a single drop is okay, but if mistakenly 2, 3, 4 drops was applied, you're still good, okay. Make sure that every part is lubricated, as this can help to prolong the life of this device. Yes. And with this being done, you're going to find out that your sewing machine is going to be running with less noise. It's going to be running properly as designed, not all those extraneous and disturbing noise, okay. Now with this being shown, let's install back this sewing machine and we'll be good to go. Alright, now watch me do this right here. After placing it like this, open up the bed. These are drops of oil. We can clean this later, it's not a problem, as this oil is good for your sewing device. Now let's install back. The installation is taking some time, but trust me, in a jiffy, you're gonna be good. You are okay. Yes, now it's set. As you can see, this is clean. As you can see, our sewing machine is a little bit stained with oil on my hands, and just like this, see oil. All we have to do now is to clean this device after placing this belt. As you can see, the belt was taken off on installation. Now, so we're about to install it back. Now we have to place back the belt simply like this. Just place the belt, and then from the bottom just guide. As you can see, our machine is very cool and calm. As you can see, I'm just rotating this balance wheel, and it is cool. Now let's clean the leftover oil that stained this device so that this device can properly protrude out as a clean butterfly that have been serviced, lubricated, and inspected. You are, and I'm just gonna employ this